नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the practical protocol of pharmaceutics practical for the B from first semester. Module name is Preparation of Vanishing Cream. Preparation of vanishing cream is very important cosmetic preparation and also belongs to the pharmaceutics practice. So today's aim and today's object is that to prepare and submit vanishing cream. So some apparatus and chemical used for the performance of the vanishing cream. So stearic acid is 17%, potassium hydroxide is 0.5%, sodium carbonate is 0.5%, powdered crude drug is 5 grams, and glycerine 6%, and water 71%. So the introduction, firstly, introduction of this cream are semi-solid emulsion of oil and water. A cream is a preparation usually for application of the skin. Cream may be considered pharmaceutical products as even cosmetics. Creams are based on techniques developed by the pharmacy, and unmedicated creams are highly used in a variety of skin conditions. Cream may be defined as a water-soluble medicinal preparation applied to the topical layer of the skin. So the vanishing cream gets the name from the fact that is leave to trace when rubbed into the skin. These are oil in water emulsion that contains large percentage of water and stearic acid or other oleaginous components. After application, the continuous phase evaporates, leaving behind a thin residue film of stearic acid. A cosmetic preparation that is used chiefly as a foundation for face powder. So what is the procedure of the vanishing cream? Firstly, procedure is preparation of alcoholic extract of crude drug. All above mentioned powdered crude drugs of 5 grams were taken into the conical flask, and then 100 ml of ethanol was added to it. Then the conical flask was capped with aluminum foil. Then this mixture was placed for maceration for 5 days. Preparation of oil phase: stearic acid 17%, potassium hydroxide 0.5%, and sodium carbonate 0.5% was taken into one porcelain dish, and this mixture was melted at 70 degrees Celsius. So now we come to the preparation of aqueous phase. Alcoholic extract of crude drug mentioned in step 1, 4.5%, glycerine 6%, water 71% were taken into another porcelain dish and heated this mixture at 70 degrees Celsius. Addition of aqueous phase to oil phase. The aqueous phase was added to the oil phase with continuous stirring at 70 degrees Celsius. Now, once the transfer was completed, it was allowed to come at room temperature. All the while being stirred, perfume 0.5% was added at last, just before just before the finished product was transferred to suitable container. Now packaging in a suitable closed collapsible tube is packed and labeled. What is the introduction? What is the storage condition of this preparation? Store in a well closed container. in a cool, dry place and do not freeze. So uses, it helps to keep the skin moisturized. It also helpful in keeping the skin fresh. So this is the complete protocol of this practical. This practical is belong to the pharmaceutics practical for the B Pharm first semester. This digital session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.